to generate key blanks of NSN14 by Super Key Blanks. We'll use 2M2 tank CNC key cutting machine. At first, please connect the Bluetooth. And then enter the option Generate Key Type. Select Flat Key Blank. Here we search NSN14. Click NSN14. Here we need to prepare Super Key Blank T. Click Continue. Install this key blank on the clamp. If all is ready, click Continue. Please change the direction and install it on the clamp. Click Continue. Application says, please change the cutter V. Prepare the cutter V. Depending on the guide picture, please change the cutter V. Pay attention, 2 screws on the cutter cylinder. If changing cutter is ready, we will install the key blank on the clamp. Click Continue. Finishing cutting, let's check it how it is. It looks nice, let's use this to cut a key. Make a key copy now. Here we click Key Database. And then Vehicle Keys. Search vehicle name, Nissan. Click Nissan. Click the first one, 10 cuts. We'll install the original key on the clamp. If it's ready, please click Continue. And then click Identify. Finished decoding and installed the key blank. Finally click Cut.